Okay guys, so in this unit, which we're starting, we're working on personal narrative, or a narrative about yourself, a story about yourself. And specifically, we're going to focus on writing memoirs. Okay, now I circled it, but let's zoom right in on it for you so you can really see that word. Okay, memoir. And a memoir is going to be, it's going to be a story about yourself, and it's going to have some lesson in it. Okay, we've talked a little bit about stories with lessons. Okay, it's going to be a story where you learn something. Alright, now if I were to just say to you, okay, think of a story with a lesson, right? I suspect that might be kind of tricky. Okay, so the first thing that we do as a part of this unit is you guys get together with a friend or two, alright, and you just chat a little bit. Alright, you tell each other stories. Stories of things that really happened. Okay, stories of things that really happened that your friend might be interested in, okay, or that you just want to talk about. And in the course of talking about those stories, you try to figure out if you've got a good story to write about. Now, how do you know if it's a good story to write about? If you can talk about it for more than a couple of minutes, I would say it's a good bet that you could write something about that. All right? So the process for today is you tell your partner at least one story. Okay, now you can tell more than one story. You'll have a little bit of time. But you tell your partner at least one story. While you're telling your partner your story, my partner listened carefully to my story, right? And my partner gave me ideas about my story. So you tell your story. The partner's listening. The partner's not just daydreaming off into space somewhere. Okay? So you tell your story. Check. Yes, my partner listened, and let's see, I told my story and my partner gave me some ideas. Oh, I think the lesson might be, oh, I want to know more about that dog. Or, what happened to the vase that broke into pieces on the floor? I would love to know more about that. So these ideas are really other things that you could write about or add into your story, questions that your partner might ask you. And then my partner asked me questions about my story. So what happened to the vase? Or where did the missing sweater end up? Or what did your mom say when she found you on top of the refrigerator into the cookie jar? Okay, so there are lots of different questions you could ask about stories that I'm sure you learned some lessons from. Okay, and then you write the questions down, just like I'm telling you. And then you repeat the process with your partner. So your partner tells you a story. Yep, I listened carefully to my partner's story. I gave my partner ideas, and your partner is also going to have this sheet. So your partner will write those ideas right on this sheet as well. Okay, so today your job is to chat about some stories in your lives, okay, where you've learned some lessons. All right, and I'm going to give you 10, 15 minutes to do this. And what's going to be happening during the next writing lesson is you're actually going to start to before we do any writing, you're going to start to draw these stories out. You're going to start to get some pictures to them. And I'll show you what I mean by that. So I don't want you to think you have to start writing immediately. Okay? I want to take you through this process. Alright, so you have a chance to really think about what you want to write. Does that make sense, guys? Just give me a thumbs up if it does, because we are recording. So, okay. So I'll give you guys a chance to ask questions, but this is what we're going to work on today, getting some ideas for our personal narrative, or our memoir conversation.